to another blaster break here on Dynasty Central Sports. And if you take a look at the thumbnail or the title, you know what it is. It's 2122 Skybox Metal Universe. I've ripped so many blasters of this on the channel so far. It's my favorite retail product. I just want to bring a short little rip to you. All right, we got two blasters. We're going to rip a bowl after the first blaster. You know what the deal is. Let's get ripped. We got Anders Lee, Big Man on Ice of Alexander Barkov, die cut. We got a retro rookie of Ryan Merkley, Matt Dumba, Blue Spectrum, Jacob Bernard Docker, Philip Deneau, and Joe Veleno, rookie card base. Tom Wilson, Tyler Bertuzzi, Seth Jarvis, Blue Spectrum rookie. That's a good one. Let's leave that one up in a second. Brent Burns, Ryan Merkley, Robin Lehner, and Cole Perfetti on the base. Seth Jarvis, I haven't pulled this one before. The Blue Spectrum, cool one. One of the few Blue Spectrums I've given top loaders to. Be lucky, Seth. All right, Sebastian Aho, Jonathan Marchessault. We got a Skybox Premium Prospects Regular, Cole Perfetti. A Blue Spectrum of Teuvo Teravainen. We got this Sapphire Skybox Premium Prospects. It looks like a Blues player, so
hilarious.
I'm gonna guess Jake Neighbors.
What?
No.
Wrong!
It is Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen. Sapphire Skybox Premium Prospects, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen. That's a nice looking card. Nice color match. We got Batherson and Elvis Merzlikins. Quinn Hughes, Amped Up, Alexander Holtz. Johnny Gibson, alternate jersey, Blue Spectrum. That's a nice looking card. Shane Pinto, Philip Deneau, Alex Turcotte, and Alex Tuck. One more pack left, and then we're ripping a bowl. Alex DeBrincat, Hughes, Jack Hughes, Jamie Drysdale, retro rookie, Kataha, Blue Spectrum, Joe Veleno, Quinton Byfield, and an alternate jersey of Connor McDavid. We're going to rip a bowl, and then we're going to go into the second blaster. I'm ripping a bowl of White Rhino, a strain I have. It's got an interesting odor. Smokes good, smells good when the smoke comes out. Doesn't taste shitty or anything like that, but it smells a lot like feet.
What?
It's more of on the, I think it's more on the cheese side.
What the fuck?
Anyways, it's pretty good. I still smoke it, but you know what? We're gonna spice it up a little bit with some Stizzy concentrate. I'm gonna put a little nice and spicy. Big old bowl right there. What do you think? All right, rip one with me. Here we go. One more blaster of Skybox Metal Universe.
Get as high as possible.
Lil Mac, Philly Grubauer, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen retro rookie, Blue Spectrum of Ilya Sorokin, Spencer Knight, Sebastian Aho, and Trevor Zegras rookie. Toffoli, McDavid, Moritz Seider, Blue Spectrum rookie. I'll take that one. That's Sebastian Aho, alternate jersey. Trevor Zegras, Alex Ovechkin, alternate jersey as well. Moritz Seider, Blue Spectrum. That's a good one. Sorry, Seth Jarvis. You're getting dethroned.
Get the fuck out!
Shea Theodore, Matty Chucker, Carey Price, Blue Spectrum, alternate jersey. It's a nice one. Jamie Drysdale, Matty Chucker, alternate jersey. Dawson Mercer, and Jonathan Huberto. Carey Price Blue Spectrum with the alternate jersey, which happens to be all blue.
Staying all night and everything he sees is just blue, like him.
Give that a top loader for now. Adam Fox, Championship Galaxy, David Perron. Retro rookie of Nico Dawes. We got a blue spectrum of Carey Price regular jersey. Dawson Mercer, Barry Boulay, and Mark Giordano. That's funny. Blue spectrum of Carey Price back to back. One alternate jersey, one regular.
What a coinkydink.
And I guess I should give it some love as well. Give it a top loader. All right, last pack, a 21-22 Skybox Metal Universe Retail. Let's go. Nick Foligno. Amped Up Patrick Kane. Igor Sokolov. Skybox Premium Prospects. Brock Besser, Blue Spectrum. There it is. Philip Tomasino. Skybox Premium Prospects, Sapphire. That's a nice one as well. Alex Ovechkin and Matty Chucker on the back. Philip Tomasino, Sapphire Premium Prospects to go right there. Sorry, it's not nice enough to dethrone Moritz Seider. All right, let's go over the sleeved up inserts and blue spectrums. Brock Besser, Championship Galaxy, David Perron. Ilya Sorokin, Carter Hott. We got Big Man on Ice, Alexander Barkov. Matt Dumba, Blue Spectrum. Teuvo Teravainen. And John Gibson in the Blue Spectrums. All right, Sapphire Premium Prospects, Philip Tomasino. Nice one right there. And then we got back-to-back. Carey Price, Blue Spectrums, alternate jersey, and regular. Right there. Very cool. Blue Spectrum rookie of Seth Jarvis.
Dan Marsh, this is Thad Jarvis.
Sup?
Skybox Premium Prospects, Sapphire Parallel of Ukko Pekka Luukkonen. And then we got a Blue Spectrum Moritz Seider. That one's going to go to my buddy Sloth Face Killer. What did you think of these two blasters of Skybox Metal Universe 21-22? So far, they've been a little bit tapered down in the hits and the cool hits and stuff like that. But I still do love these blasters. And I will still rip a couple more on the channel probably if I see them. But I'm focusing on some other boxes coming up soon from Upper Deck. So thank you for watching. Smash like down below. Hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. And thank you for watching. And throw me a comment. Love to hear from you. Let me know what you thought of the blaster. What did you think of the cards? What did you think of the video? But yeah. Remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. See you